krew? O tak, odparł Jan poważnie. Lubię krew. Ma taki piękny...
Again, the pantry again. Is Donna Hay in there with you?
No, actually.
Any lemon rind on the floor?
Do you have any Donna Hay kitchen accessories? I guess they call it accessories.
Just 4% of Australians being fully vaccinated. That's in spite of the fact that Scott Morrison said we're at the front of the queue. This is a government that's been too busy focused on congratulating
and my unemployment benefits are extended. Guess I'll take some summer classes too. And those extended benefits were at 3 times the
probably had a similar experience when he was a kid, right? And it probably actually experience for him. Do that for you. You did it!
Jesus Christ, right? I'm sorry, Gaga.
That guy was fault.
No, she does not.
So it's just money. Serving.
Money.
You have any order?
What?
Fuck!
Fuck me.
Holy shit! Okay, Guyman, save video!
And Colin wanted me to call you, but I said no, I'm not calling Cody.
Hold on, I gotta go.
The Doggies, Brisbane, Port Adelaide, and Alier did have a good game against his old club.
He sure did.
Geelong, Sydney, the Eagles, and Richmond. Richmond studiously avoiding ninth, despite.
Holy shit!